realize he was speed walking. Oh, he's friendly and easy to. Never mind, she's talking. Yeah, maybe talking to people is too hard. We could go over to that department store, practice on the mannequins.
What are you making?
Chicken, potatoes, and ribs.
Hey, I've been out here for like 10 years. I have nothing to show for it.
Yeah, baby.
I need some white pepper. I don't have any.
I said put effort into it. Not
Throw it randomly at the tree?
Even no effort is still
Marry
effort.
me.
can't be watching this top secret version.
Top secret what?
No.
There's your Christmas spirit. Boo.
I saw that commercial of Jayden with Freddie Freeman.
Yeah.
It was pretty funny.
Yeah, which is funny because he plays for Canada in like the
Yeah.
like in the World
Well,
Classic.
he's Canadian. He's from.
He is Canadian, but like he beat Canada's team.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, where are you, hoser? Look at right now, son.
Ryan Reynolds here. You know, ever since we started making our annual video to raise money for Sick Kids Hospital in Toronto a few years ago, I've heard from so many generous Canadians offering a co-star that we actually have a wait list. And this year, well, it just happens to be the pride of Ontario and Los Angeles. That's right, Mr. Freddie Freeman. Hey, kids. It's me, Freddie Freeman.
What a loser.
Trust me, man. We know who you are.
You really got some nerve coming here.
I just wanted to visit because I'm just so happy and so proud of
Get out of here.
Go back to your sunshine and traffic, you hoser. You ruined everything.
By the way, I love what you guys are doing here.
Let's go, Blue Jays. Let's go, Blue Jays. Let's go, Blue Jays.
I asked him in March. What are the odds? What midnight on December 24th? They're gonna match donations.
I made that.
Aw. You have to put it in the windowsill.
everybody. Pretty quiet in here now. Not out there. Today's wardrobe brought to you by the letters W, T, and F. Sunny days sweep the clouds away.
This is what a blizzard looks like. We didn't get the snow, but this wind is I think it's 80 to 90 miles an hour. It's crazy. Horses have shelters, but they're not standing in them. Justin's outside feeding right now. It's crazy. And this little lady and that little lady are indoors. Hey, what are you doing? We actually had a cat who went out yesterday and we knew the storm was coming. And so the little bugger went all the way to the hay shed, way out there, and the boys went to get her and they were halfway up to the house with her and she clawed them and ran back to the hay shed. And then in the middle of the night she came back. She like walked through this and it was much, much worse. And made it back to the house. Our son heard her meowing and let her in. Man, oh man, I wish either she would have come up to the house or she would have stayed in the hay shed, like come up to the house with us. Oh my goodness. Snow day! Breakfast of champions! Delicious. I think so. Love snow days. What do you think? Do you love snow days? You are a very hard dog to film. Silly girl. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Sit. 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 Cookie, sit. Cookie, sit. Oh my goodness. You got a toy? Yeah, good girl. I thought I saw him coming. Do you have to go to the bathroom? Oh, there he is. That looks fun. Why do you have a drill out?
My heater.
Oh, your heater. Oh no, are the waters frozen?
Oh God, yeah, they're not going to keep up in this.
Yeah.
The heaters are keeping up, but the water's not going to flow for a while.
Right.
Nothing I can do about it for a little bit.
Yeah. When is the wind supposed to die down?
Just after the May long weekend, I think.
Oops, just trying to... The girls are like, enough of that. The pups didn't last very long out there. Oh no, is that the screen for the hot tub?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Belongs to nature now.
Let's see where it ends up. I like your outfit.
I'm not particularly fond of it.
Where is she? There she is. Hi, princess. This is Speedy, the cat we had to worry about all last night. I gave her. Justin said when she came in, you had to hold her.
Yeah, 10 minutes. She was shivering.
Oh, I can't believe she came back during that blizzard.
She got scared.
Yeah, I imagine it was pretty loud in the hay shed.
I'd say so. Still coming across the field.
Yeah, by herself, silly thing.
Who knows how long before CJ heard her at the door, but who knows how long she had been pacing around the house.
Well, when I woke up, I was up from 3 to 4 a.m. I kept checking the door and she wasn't there, so at least she wasn't at the door for too long. That's a lot of road closures. A little dangerous to go on the roads today.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Poops? Is that a good toy, Pookie? Get him! We're off to go outside in that nightmare to make sure the horses have water. That is some Manitoba fashion right there. Would you be able to hold this for a second?
Still recording?
Oh, yeah. Oh, get it. Girls,
No,
you stay.
That's my thing. It's like, why are you even trying? You know, a fool, Lauren.
Well, it's also dangerous. Me too. Oh no, look at our screen. Sorry. He's trying to shelter it with his body. Hey, John. Why'd you take your hood off, silly boy? Oh, I'm being needed. Tiny. Oh my goodness, you guys are all covered. Hey. Girls. Hi, Brown. Waffles. Well, it's nice in your shelter. That's good. That's good. Glad it's nice in here. Hi, Pixie. Good boy. Yeah, good boys. Justin's using his body to block the wind while he uses the heat gun to thaw out the nozzle. And luckily it's just that, oh hi buddy, luckily it's just the nozzle that's freezing, not the other parts, the deeper parts of the water. Standing in the shelter is actually quite nice, luckily. Not allowed to do. Hey buddy. Good boy. Standing in the shelter is actually quite nice. Our shelters are extra deep. They're 12 feet deep. And man, does that ever make a difference. You can stand back here. Hi, you're very friendly. You're very friendly. Henry, let's fix your blankie. Hey, let's fix your blanks. It's nice in here, hey?
Not bad.
Yeah, to me it feels quite nice. You're just gonna climb it for fun? Sparky. Hi, Cumps. Hi, my baby. How are you? Hey, how are you, gorgeous? Are y'all warm and toasty? Yeah. Hey, Murphs.
Well, the bowls weren't frozen solid.
Okay.
There was, there was still some water in the bowls.
Yeah,
So that makes me feel good, that, okay.
for sure.
The heater's trying to keep up.
And they weren't without water, so that's great. Hey, Sparks.
Incredibly strong heating on it.
Yeah. The dog's been out. South, so the horses are standing behind the shelter out of the wind. Storm number 2. So storm number 1, the wind came from the north, and storm number 2, this wind is coming from the south. All the snow that got blown one way the first day is now getting blown back the second day. Paddock right now because that's a pony pen and the snow is pretty deep. Oh goodness. You want to go play in the snow. Because it might have frozen over with the wind. Must have noticed Brownie looking at it. Been a wild one these couple of days. Let the holiday season begin. Jayden has 2 dogs attacking him right now. I don't know if the camera is picking up, but the cat is snoring. She's under there somewhere and I can hear her snoring. No, that one's yours. I get the cute cuddly one. You get the one that's weird. It's awful. But this is something. Holiday movie marathon. Pookie's right into it. Washroom. Are you eating shrimp? I don't know if shrimp is for you. Although this little one thinks shrimp is for her. That's my spot. Hey CJ.
What?
Every single one of those horses outside, they're all asleep.
It's just a bunch of statues. I don't think anybody's moving.
Wonder what the temperature is. It must be warm.
Well, there's no wind and it's sunny for the first time in a week.
Yeah, the flag is not really moving.
It happens from time to time.
As close to the shrimp as she can. Hey? You could probably get closer to the shrimp.
Okay, you want me to?
Silly cat. Oh, see, that's how a camera is supposed to turn on. When you press the button, you don't have to press it 50 times.
You just buy a new phone.
We did, yeah.
What phone is that?
It's a Samsung. What a goober. What are you grabbing? Oh dear. Carter.
Did you give him a shot of cold stuff?
Yeah. No, that's okay. I was just testing it out to see what low light looked like. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah, I got myself a taco.
Did you? Oh, a mini taco.
It's a bumpy road. the city. Here she comes.
Okay, girls.
Here comes the Books.
I can't show her my Christmas gift.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, what do you have? We got. Hi, Lou. You sit. Oh, so nice.
Pretty Penny. Hi, Pretty Penny. Pretty Penny. It's a line that's overlooked.
That's hilarious.
Don't forget the rubber sheets and the gerbil. Go.
Hi, handsome.
Hold my hand, or you gonna look bigger? Give me your hand. How late are we?
Pretty. All right, off we go. Oh, it is chilly out. Oh, and windy. Okay, hello. Hi. Can I have? Oh, just showing? Oh, thank you.
For you to see us. Oh, kittens.
Oh, yeah. Show Grandma what you have.
Look at this mattress. That foam.
I know, it's just attached to her. We can tell you've been bad, Bella. You're on Santa's naughty list.
What did she do?
We have this piece of foam downstairs that she keeps attacking. And the telltale sign is she's covered in it.
Open it then. Then you can't.
Penny, you gotta go in there and get it.
Looks like what's in there, Pook. Just see.
Pooks, here, give me that. Cookie. Never mind, I'll open it for you.
Take some of the paper off and see if she did. Okay, go see.
Oh, Penny, look. Oh my goodness. Lulu, Luz. Oh, now you got her attention. Oh, you have a helicopter tail.
Oh, yeah, Pan. Get Pan.
Oh, good girl. Oh, all right. Destroy the place. About par for the course.
She likes it because it Pan. Get it, Pan. Yeah, Pan. Get it. Get him.
Is that yours, man? Is that one
Pookie's
yours?
trying to figure out how to fit this in her mouth.
Yeah, it's a bit big.
Pookie, grab it. Grab it.
There's other dog toys underneath the tree too. I think they're at the back.
This will keep you
Good girl.
No, Pooks, you have yours.
He's like, but I want that.
Jayden, I think she likes that one because it has a tail and wings.
Yeah, she gets to row it for many angles.
Pookie, what are you doing?
Here's your pillow. Oh,
No. Don't roll away.
And I'm thinking CJ likes this gift. Hard to tell.
he does weird stuff.
Jayden's on his way to give Johnny a Christmas mint. tradition we do every year. Breakfast. $1 million bacon.
Not as crispy as
Too big for her to catch.
Did you catch it? No. Thank you.
the rock.
Well, let me check on that one. I've tried to sell the other big farm.
We know that for sure.
Cookie, why do you look so sad? There you go. That was a very good meal.
Give me a smile there.
Yeah, it's old school. The two dishwashers.
Yeah. Come here. Yeah.
Oh, Cookie.
Yeah.
Nut.